Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Very good morning.
Bluetooth mode.
What do you mean by family?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Very good morning.
Sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Very good morning. Okay, very good morning. I hope all of you have joined. Today is the last. Syam Kumar, mute yourself. Syam Kumar, mute yourself. Today is the last revision class of first chapter. Okay, and one of you will read the question because I don't have question in my to myself. Okay, and let me find that which boy was there. What was the name of that boy? Sachi, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
What was the name of that boy?
Sir, God.
उस दिन वो जो स्क्रीन पर लिखा था.
Sir, Yuvraj.
Sir, Yuvraj.
Okay, be quiet. Mute yourself. Is he present in the class?
सर वो लड़का आज भी नहीं आया है.
Yes, sir. नहीं है present.
यस सर हम देख लिए नहीं है.
Who is his class teacher?
सर संगीता मैम.
Sir, संगीता कुमारी मैम.
Okay.
संगीता मैम.
यस सर
Okay.
संगीता कुमारी.
Okay. So should we proceed? Do you have book with you?
संगीता.
यस सर. यस सर है.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I have muted you. Now one of you, Sachi, I have unmuted you and you will read the question, okay? So that I could discuss the question.
Number.
I will tell you which. I will tell you the question there. Why it is like this? Wait a minute. Okay. Question next to how does a snake detect the presence of enemy? Okay,
Sir,
after this.
Sir, will long question answer है.
bolo.
Why do bones have joints?
Why do bones have joints? Okay, next question.
Why is our backbone made up of many small vertebrae?
Okay,
Instead
why is our backbone
made up of many
made up
small
of
vertebrae?
many
Small vertebrae.
Vertebra. Bone vertebra. Okay. Any next question?
Instead of having one straight long bone.
Oh, so उसी में in that question instead of having one straight bone, instead of having
one straight bone.
one
Long bone.
straight
One straight long bone.
long bone. Okay, next.
Why is bone marrow known as factory of making blood cells?
Why is bone marrow
Known as factory for making blood cells.
known as known as
The
factory?
factory.
Your factory of making
Blood
blood,
cells.
blood cells. Next question.
How does a ball and socket joint work?
How do ball and how do ball and socket joint work? Next question.
Dogs and bats are also mammal like us.
Dogs and bats are also mammal
Like
like
us.
us. Hmm.
How does our sense of smell compare with that of a dog?
Uh, how do our sense of smell compare
S-
with
compare
how
with
the
that of a dog?
compare with
That
that
of a dog.
a dog
And
and
our hearing with that of a bat.
and our hearing
Sense of hearing with that
with
of a bat.
that of bats. Okay. So I was not having book. Any else question? Next question.
Yes, the last question. Do you breathe even when you sleeping? You are sleeping. Do you breathe when you are
Do
sleeping?
you breathe while
Even
you are sleeping?
give reason for your answer.
Give,
सर आप अपने आप को म्यूट करिए
give reason for your
आंसर
answer. Okay. Hmm. I hope the questions are clear and we will discuss the question. किसी question में अगर किसी को कोई problem रहेगा तो उसको हम लोग discuss कर देंगे. ठीक है? We will discuss the question. Okay. Until further, I am saying that some of you have raised your hand. Let me ask Akash 5A. Akash 5A, unmute yourself. 5A, unmute yourself. Akash 5A, unmute yourself.
सर आकाश हैंड रेज ही नहीं किया तो अब वो लोअर हैंड कर दिया
Kumar Ujwal. Kumar Ujwal. Next. Yuvraj Singh. Start your and unmute yourself. Yuvraj Singh, start your video and unmute yourself. Yuvraj Singh. Yuvraj Singh, unmute yourself. Start your video. Yuvraj Singh. Yuvraj Singh, you start your video. You will not be allowed to join the class. Yuvraj Singh, start your video or you will not be allowed to. You come on the screen. I want to talk with you. मुझे तुमसे बात करनी है युवराज सिंह और नहीं तो हम यहाँ से यू मूव आउट ऑफ द क्लास until and unless we have to lock the meeting, nobody will able to join it. Lock meeting. और क्लास 5A के क्लास टीचर को भी बोल देना है. मॉनिटर कौन है क्लास 5A का? रेज योर हैंड्स.
सर मैं हूँ
तुम हो. जो भी टीचर आएंगे उनको बोल देना. ठीक है, उनको बोल देना सर मना किए हैं उसको ज्वाइन कराने से.
ओके
ठीक है.
सर स्मृति भी है
आई विल. ओके, श्रुति कौन है?
सर स्मृति
स्मृति. ओके. Okay, let's start our revision work. Okay, so first question for the today revision. If you know, you will raise your hand. Okay, if you know, you will raise your hand. Okay. Why do bones have joint? Who will answer this question? Raise your hand. Okay, 6 students, 7 students. Okay. So who will answer this question? Why do bones have joints? I give this chance to Rudra Jaiswal. Okay. Rudra Jaiswal, unmute yourself.
Bones have joint to move the part which have joints.
You start your video. Why you have kept your videos off? Very good. Go ahead. बोलो सवाल से एक बार बोलो रुद्र जायसवाल yes once again you answer it okay Pragati Raj unmute yourself Pragati Raj unmute yourself
Yes, sir.
tell the
Yes, sir. A
Tell the
place
answer.
where two bones meet. A
this is
place.
called joint
A place where. Yes, sir. A place where two bones meet.
so this is called joint the question is that the question is
Yes.
question was something else that why there is need of joint okay Abhiraj 5B somebody Abhiraj unmute yourself
Yes, sir.
Abhiraj
Yes, sir. Answer is, sir,
Can
bone
you
have
answer this
joints
question?
for move the parts which have joints.
correct answer
Sir, answer
Okay,
a bone
so why
have
do-
joints. Yes, sir.
I got your answer I got your answer and I have heard it okay
Yes, sir.
next it is Shamli 5A last answer from I want to take from Shamli 5A Shamli
Yes, sir.
Sham-
So joint make the skeletal system flexibility and about our body to move in many ways.
yes correct answer more correct Rangila
Sir,
yes.
sir, bones have joints to make the joints flexible and movement.
not joints not joints not joints
Bones,
organs
bones. Sir.
organs
Yes, sir.
okay organs okay
Yes. Yes,
from
sir.
Harsraj
Skeleton.
say something sir say something okay raise your hand you raise your hand I will ask you last and many of you have raised the hand but I cannot okay next I can see Smriti Komal Shamli Trisha Ranjan Nishant Anupam Abhinav Kumar 5A Ritika Kumari Shwadha Shri Piyush Raj Swati Kumari Shania Singh Sachi Kumari Shyam Kumar 5B all of you have raised your hand but it is problem that I cannot I have heard the answer and I will give you opportunity to answer the question in the next question okay so let's write down the let pen down the question why do bones have joint answer will be answer joints
Joint makes
Joint.
the skeleton
joint make the skeleton system
flexibility
flexible
and
joint make the skeleton system of organ flexible
and allow
Able
our
to move.
body. Sir, allow
Flexible.
our body.
our organs to
Our
move
body
okay
to move in many ways.
many ways okay this is the answer okay the joints make the skeleton tell me
सर मूव के बाद टू होगा.
okay move in many ways okay move too many ways. चलो ठीक है, move in many ways. So now I hope the concept is clear to you. इसी तरह का आंसर बैकबोन में भी होगा, है ना? इसी तरह का आंसर बैकबोन से भी रिलेटेड एक क्वेश्चन है. There is also one question related to backbone. Harsraj, everybody says our body is made up of cell. Yes, our body is made up of cell, but not SHAL. Our body is made up of cells. CELLS. That I will discuss you later. So I hope please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Okay. So I hope it is clear to you that our body joints are needed. Joints makes our organ flexible. Now suppose what will happen if I tie one stick in my hand. My hand will not be able to move. Same is case with the long bone. If there is a long bone, I will be able to move. So hence it's make our organ flexible. I hope you are able to understand it. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now everybody down your hands, and next question, let's move to the next question. Okay, so the next question is why our backbone is made up of a small vertebra instead of having one straight bone. Okay, who will answer this question? This is also same as like of that very question. Okay, who will answer this question? Okay, who will answer this question? If you wish, you can write in the chat mode also. Okay, I can see many students have raised their hand. Oh, wait. Sashi Kumari, Rudra Jayashmal, Smriti Komal, Swati Kumari, Shwadhasri, Nishant Anupam, Ritika Kumari, Aviraj, Shyam Kumar, Shyamli, Piyush, Ayush, Rangila, Sanya Singh 5A. So I am going to unmute the Sanya Singh 5A. Okay, Sanya Singh 5A, unmute yourself. Sanya Singh 5A, unmute yourself. Sanya Singh, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Sanya Singh, unmute yourself. Okay, Ansu 5C. Ansu 5C, unmute yourself. Ansu 5C, unmute yourself.
If our backbone had only one bone instead of many vertebrae, then there are grinding joints in between the vertebrae. These help us to move and bend our back.
Okay, it helps us to make our backbone flexible. Okay, it make our backbone flexible. If it would be of one long bone, our backbone would be very stiff. We will not be able to move it. Okay, we would not be able to move it. I hope it is clear to you. Next, IUC 5C, unmute yourself. IUC 5C. IUC 5C.
Yes, sir.
You answer this question.
Our backbone have only one straight bone instead of many vertebrae. Our bones cannot move into different ways. This vertebrae help us to move and rotate our.
Okay, yes, it is correct. Okay. Next, Swadhasri, unmute yourself. Swadhasri, unmute yourself.
If our backbone made up of a long straight bone instead of a many vertebrae, it has no movement.
Okay. And don't write in chat that I want to say, please unmute. Okay, you only raise your hand, I will unmute you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I hope all of you have understood it. Next, let me ask with the Aviraj. Aviraj of 5B. I have unmuted you. This is the last. Okay, Aviraj.
Yes, sir.
Aviraj.
Sir, if our backbone is made up of a long
Aviraj, you are
straight bone.
Ansuraj. You are Ansuraj, no?
No, sir, Abhiraj.
Okay. Acha, okay. You answer it. Okay. So let take it down. If our, so what will be it answer? All of you can say, if our backbone is of one straight long bone instead of many vertebra, then our backbone could have been stiff. Our backbone could have been stiff, and we would, please mute yourself surrounding, we would not be able to move our backbone. I hope it is clear to you. Answer is correct. Okay,
Yes,
anybody
sir.
else? I can see the many of the students, you all have taken your chance to answer this question. Sachi Kumari, Rudra Jashwal, Smriti Komal, Swati Kumari, Swada Sri, Trisha Ranjan, Nishant Anupam, Ritika Kumari, Aviraj, Shyam Kumar, Shyamli Kumari, Piyush Raj, Ayush, Chanya, Abhinav, Rangila. Okay, thank you all of you. Down your hand and mute yourself. Next question we will see. The next question, as a part of discussion we have. Next question, as a part of discussion we have, why bone marrow is called as the factory of blood cells? Okay, why bone marrow is called as the factory of blood cells? Who will answer this question? Raise your hands. Okay, I can see. I will give the chance to those students who seldom speak. Okay. Shyamli, Rudra, Anand Vishal. Somebody, Anand Vishal, unmute yourself. Anand Vishal, unmute yourself.
Sir, bone marrow known as the factory for making blood cells because it's make blood cells.
Okay, anybody else? Piyush Raj 5A. Piyush Raj 5A, unmute yourself.
Yes,
Piyush
sir.
Raj, yes, tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, bone marrow is kind of the blood factory of blood cell because it is product blood cells that are manufactured inside the bone marrow.
Yes, it is correct. You are saying correct.
Sir,
Next. Wait. Don't say sir, answer. Shyam Kumar of 5B, unmute yourself. Shyam Kumar of 5B, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Tell the answer.
Bone marrow.
Ayush Kumar, stop sharing your screen. It is not for you, Ayush Kumar.
Bone marrow is known as factory of blood cell because it provides inside the bone marrow.
It provides inside the bone marrow.
Inside this bone marrow.
Okay. I will remove you. Mind it, I am very strict in all this. Those who are trying to share the screen. अगर हम पढ़ाएंगे तो इतने लोग ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाओगे, समझे? फिर वही 30 और 30 हम दो चीज से पढ़ाते हैं, इसलिए स्क्रीन शेयरिंग करना पड़ रहा है, समझे? अगर हम लैपटॉप से पढ़ाएंगे तो यू वॉन्ट बी एबल टू ज्वाइन दिस मच एज यू आर ज्वाइनिंग. हमारे क्लास में 60 स्ट्रेंथ रहता है, ठीक है? फिर तुम लोगों को प्रॉब्लम होगा ज्वाइन करने में अगर हम लैपटॉप से पढ़ाएंगे तो, ठीक है? लैपटॉप से हम टाइप करने के लिए, स्क्रीन शेयरिंग करने के लिए, क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करने के लिए रखते हैं, तो हम भगा देंगे बाहर हम, युवराज के जैसा. नेक्स्ट, भारती कुमारी. Bharti Kumari.
Yes, sir.
Come on this. Bolo Bharti.
Bones Narrow is born as a factory for making blood and cells because it provides blood and that are manufactured inside this Bones Narrow.
Okay. I hope you have understood it. Okay. So, acha, wait. Thank you. Next time I will give you the opportunity. Ayush, the answer was many of the students were interested to answer this question. Ayushi 5C, Swati 5A, Trisha Ranjan 5B, Smriti Komal 5A, Ritika Kumari 5A, Aviraj 5B, Rangila, Nishant Anupam 5C, Shyamli Kumari 5A, Abhinav Kumar 5A, Rudra Jaiswal, Anand Vishal, Shyam Kumar, Sachin, Piyush, Aditya, Das, Swadha, Arpit, Piyush Kumar, all of you, thank you very much. Now down your hand. Okay. Now why it is called the factory? Don't raise your hand unnecessary. Okay. Why it is called the factory? Let's take it down. Because blood cells in our body is manufactured by through blood cells in our body is manufactured bone marrow which is present inside the bone, right? तो चलो एक बार सुन लो, एक बात और बताना चाह रहे हैं। इतना बढ़िया बात जब यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन आ गया तो एक बात और बताना चाहते हैं। एक क्वेश्चन सोचकर हमें बताओगे कि हमें बार बार एक्सरे क्यों नहीं करवाना चाहिए? बार बार एक्सरे क्यों नहीं करवाना चाहिए? किसी का अगर बोन मेरी बात सुनो, चिल्ड्रन म्यूट योरसेल्फ, डोंट रेज योर हैंड। किसी का अगर बोन कमजोर हो जाएगा तो हड्डी भी कमजोर, जिसका हड्डी कमजोर हो जाएगा उसको ब्लड भी कम बनेगा शरीर में, ठीक है? जिसका हड्डी कमजोर रहेगा उसको ब्लड भी कम बनेगा, ठीक है? कभी कभी देखो किसी का हड्डी बार बार टूट रहा है, बार बार एक्सरे करा रहा है, तो बार बार एक्सरे कराने से हमारे बोन मैरो पर प्रभाव पड़ता है। बार बार एक्सरे कराने से हमारे बोन मैरो पर प्रभाव पड़ता है और वो खराब हो जाता है और ब्लड का प्रोडक्शन कम जाता है, ठीक है? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ डू बॉल एंड सॉकेट जॉइंट वर्क? हु विल आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन? हाउ डज बॉल एंड सॉकेट जॉइंट वर्क? Okay, who will answer this question? Raise your hand. How does ball and socket joint work? अभी सब लोग वाटर एक होमवर्क का सबसे पहले लिखो। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू राइट, एवरीबॉडी ऑफ यू राइट वन होमवर्क, राइट होमवर्क। सबसे पहले एक होमवर्क लिखो, वाटर कंजर्वेशन, राइट एवरीबॉडी होमवर्क। Nishant Anupam, what are you doing? Why are you moving your mobile? Okay, water conservation पर एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाओगे। Prepare a project on the water conservation. Okay, how will you conserve the water? ठीक है? और दूसरा लिखो, how will you conserve the water? Next. Second, what is water harvesting? What is water harvesting? Okay, what is water harvesting? Okay, ये दो बना के ये रखोगे, ठीक है? बना कर रखोगे, बोलना भी पड़ सकता है और वो पेपर में लिखना भी हो सकता है, ठीक है? Next, come to the question. A question it was Sanya Singh 5A. Unmute yourself, Sanya Singh. Sanya Singh. How does ball and socket joint work? Sanya Singh, you have Sanya Singh, you unmute yourself. Sanya Singh, you unmute yourself. Take help of your parent. You unmute yourself. Sanya, you unmute yourself. Take help of your parent. Okay, Rudra Jaiswal, unmute yourself, Rudra Jaiswal, and next it will be Manvi Kumari. Next to Rudra Jaiswal it will be Manvi Kumari, and next to her it will be Shyamli. Rudra, Manvi, and Shyamli. Rudra.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. L. How does ball and socket joint work?
It works by ration ball like end fits into the
Sir.
end fit into the hollow socket of the another bone.
Okay. Next.
The ball and
Next.
socket joint provide swimming and rotating movement.
Okay. It provides swimming and rotating. Right. Very good. Correct. Next. So you note this point. You note this point, swimming and rotating first. And what he has told prior to her, Rudra, what he told? He told that socket. He told that socket. There is a socket and ball. Okay. And next student.
A ball and socket joint in one bone which has a ball-like and file into the hollow socket of another. Example, hip and shoulder joint.
Okay, thank you. So I have seen
सर
many
सांस
students.
का होमवर्क का है
बताया ना कि वाटर कंजर्वेशन पर पोस्टर बनाना है एक पोस्टर. Okay, I can see many of the student. You have raised your hand. 20 student. Okay,
Sir.
it is it is 20 students. Okay, so it is very difficult. Now let's note it down these questions. Okay, let's take it down the revision notes. Okay. So how does ball and socket joint work? Ball and socket joint has, let's take it down. Ball and socket joint. Socket joints have ball and one ball, has one ball which float freely, mute yourself, in socket, which oh my god, why noising surrounding noise? Okay, too much disturbance you create. Okay, next, Rangila, you say. Rangila.
Ball and socket joint one bone which has a ball-like end fits into the hollow socket of another bone and it helps us to rotate.
Okay, which float free in the socket and with
It
help
helps
of this, it
rotate the body.
Freely. It rotate organ freely. Okay, it rotate organ freely in all direction. Okay, it will make it more appropriate. Okay, I hope it is clear. Come to the next question. Dogs and bats are also mammal like
Yes, sir.
us. How do we see sense of a smell? Okay, now answer will be, let me tell you the answer because I am running short of time. Okay, dogs have well developed. Okay, you raise your hand, and if you wish to say, you raise your hand, I will unmute you. Okay, dog have well developed thin muscles, thin skin in nostril. Raise your hand. Nostril with nostril and nasal epithelium बोलते हैं उसको हम लोग, मगर ये तुम्हारे लेवल का नहीं है. It is not of your level. Okay. Okay, Trisha Ranjan, you answer this question. Dogs have well developed thin skin and nostril. With help of this,
Dogs have a more sharp smell than the human, and bats hear a more larger frequency that we do.
okay, with help of this, dog is having most
sharp
sensitive, sharp. You can say yes, sharp audit, sharp sense of
a smell.
Sense of smell as well डॉग कैन हियर, उसका सुनने का भी ज्यादा होता है ना, डॉग कैन हियर।
Yes, sir.
क्या बोल रहे थे, फिर से बोलो, डॉग कैन हियर।
Sir, dog नहीं sir, bat के बारे में, bat can hear much larger frequency that we do.
ओके वेट, बैट कैन हियर अल्ट्रासोनिक फ्रीक्वेंसी, ठीक है, चलो अल्ट्रासोनिक।
Yes.
ओके, बैट कैन फील द अल्ट्रासोनिक फ्रीक्वेंसीज। ओके, तो डॉग्स एज वेल बैट कैन फील, चमगादड़ कैसे उड़ता है, बैट कैन फील द अल्ट्रासोनिक फ्रीक्वेंसी। And they have good sense of hear. Okay, come to the next question. Do you breathe while you are sleeping? Do you breathe while you are sleeping? Yes. What will be the answer? Yes. What will be the answer? Raise your hand. Nishant Anupam, unmute yourself. Nishant Anupam, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Camila, tell me.
Sir,
yes, because
yes, we breathe even when we have sleeping. We always breathe because all living cells need oxygen and food every moment.
Okay, we need oxygen to get energy. So get energy.
Sir, मैं
in
बोलूं?
life.
Yes, मैं बोलूं.
Okay, even
Sir, मैं
when
बोलूं?
we are sleeping. Okay,
Yes.
even when we are
We
sleeping.
always breathe.
Okay, even when we are
Sir, मैं
sleeping. I hope
बोलूं?
it. Okay. और एक
Sir.
मिनट, अब बताओ कि किसी को प्रॉब्लम है इस चैप्टर में, कोई पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पर, एनी पर्टिकुलर?
No, sir. No, sir.
Anybody of you, if you have any problem in any particular topic, you can ask with me. Mute
No, sir.
yourself.
No.
ऑनलाइन क्लास करने का एक सही तरीका ये है कि आप जो है अपने आप को म्यूट और अनम्यूट करना सीखो, ठीक है, जब बोलना है तब अनम्यूट करो, ठीक है, एंड डोंट सिट इन अ फैमिली प्लेस। ओके, फैमिली प्लेस में नहीं बैठना चाहिए, ठीक है। तो ये बताओ, अगर किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है किसी टॉपिक में तो हमें बताओगे। आनंद विशाल, डू यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम इन एनी टॉपिक?
नो सर, मुझे टॉपिक पे नहीं है सर, ये पूछ रहा था कि आपने जो क्वेश्चन आंसर वो लिखवाया है, तो आपसे जो पहले मैम पढ़े वो दूसरा लिखवाए हैं, तो हम उसी को रहने दें कि आप जो लिखवाए हैं
हाँ,
वो
उसी को पढ़ो। क्या चेंज है दिखा देना हमको, ऐसा कोई चेंज होना नहीं चाहिए। सी इज मोर कैपेबल, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ठीक है, किसी को। नेक्स्ट, रुद्र जायसवाल, डू यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम? डू यू हैव एनीबॉडी ऑफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम? और किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम? I have unmuted all of you. Do you have any more problem?
No, sir.
किसी को कोई दिक्कत?
No, sir.
मास्टर हम वाटर कंजर्वेशन से मेन सप्लीमेंट बना सकते हैं। यही क्वेश्चन था कि आपका वाला लिखिए या फिर मैम वाला।
Is there